Hey guys, Brian with Beast Ride DIY. I'm at Home Depot to show you some January deals going on. This is a Smart Temp kettle grill starting off. It's $179, it was $399. And this is from the Loco brand. They also make pizza ovens, but a lot of their items are on clearance for some reason. I wonder if they're just getting rid of them. I'm not sure, but check out the ratings online to be sure that's a decent product. Now, half off here is an outdoor solar powered spotlight. This is motion sensor as well, so you could pick up a few of these to go around your house just to make sure you're safe. And I'm going to show you what they have in the side picture here. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all over the house just as motion sensor lights, kind of a cheaper option than wiring up your house. Now, this is a 4-piece titanium screw extractor set for $10. It's always smart to have something like this on hand just in case you need to remove some strip screws from furniture or wood. Now for $7.97, this is a 25-foot power lock tape measure from Stanley. This is what it looks like. You've got the 10-inch reach here without it bending, and the 2 times as far as the lifetime blade life on it. $9, you get this 3-piece wood chisel set. $39, it was $54 for this 100-foot laser level, and I think all these were gone, but they did have some of the $49 50-foot crossline laser levels. Now this one, I do think you needed a battery that was sold separately. I thought it came with one, so just keep that in mind when you pick these up. $10 off. This is a new piece. It's a 10-piece impact nut driver set. Comes with a nice package at least, but this has a lifetime warranty, and this is what all the pieces it comes with. And it says it reduces fastener rounding. Now go ahead and stick around to the end of this video, guys, because at the end they actually had some power tools in the clearance section I want to show you. Now this is $19. This is a hex key set. It's an 18-piece set, and these hex keys are pretty huge. I just showed you my hand in comparison as far as the size. Now for $29, it was $49. This is Husky 10-piece combination wrench set. It's saying you're able to apply 45% more torque when you're using these. Now for $13, this was $21. It's a 2-piece groove joint plier set. And they do have the nice rubberized handles at the bottom, so you're not just touching steel when you're using these, of course. Now for $4.97, they just have a regular compact utility knife, and then a 3-pack for $14. That was $19. I really wouldn't pay more than $17 anyways on these, but decent price at $14. And go ahead and leave a like on this video or a comment, guys. It really does help the algorithm if you've made it this far. Now for $9, you get to pick on the 3-piece folding hex key set or the larger hex key set. I kind of personally like these 3-pack here because you can just memorize what you need and just grab them. They fit nicely in a tool case or your toolbox. Now for $29, this looked pretty powerful. It's a 3,000 lumen Defiant utility light, and it's a pack of 2. So you could set these up in a room or one in each room if you're doing some electrical work, some DIY work, or even like painting in a room where you need extra light to do those second layers. Now for $15, it was $19. It's a 2-pack of this Atomic series of the Dewalt tape measure. $16 for some cutting pliers, some long nose pliers, or some 9.5-inch lineman's pliers. And I'm going to show you down below. They did have a few of these. That's the long nose pliers, and then they had the 9.5-inch lineman's pliers, and then they have the diagonal 8-inch pliers here. Now, I showed you this in a previous video if you've watched these videos. This is a $199 Ryobi link bench, or for the same price, you can get the 6-tool set where they had the circular saw, LED light, the multi-tool, the 2 drill drivers, or the cutoff tool. And then for $199, you can use this on the Link speed bench. This is great if you need to make cuts, if you need something to set up your miter saw on. This actually folds up to where you can carry your tools in as well. Now, speaking about carrying around tools, this is a Husky rolling toolbox for $69, was $79, so you're saving about $10 here. This is a look inside, nothing too crazy, but I do like the little rubber gasket around the edge, so that's going to keep your tools nice and dry if you're out in the rain or something. $29, they're saying there's a $65 value for this 3-piece tool bag from Husky. And this is what it looks like. They've got in the picture here what you can kind of fit in these different size bags. It's a 12-inch, 15-inch, and an 18-inch here. And let me know in the comments, guys, if you want to pick one of these up or if you see something That's a decent deal. That's not a decent deal. I always love to hear from you. So this is a 290-piece mechanics tool set. This comes with all these storage cases and trays. They've got this one alarmed up, of course. Comes with everything pictured here in the different tool sizes, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, and 3/8 of an inch. Now, I did not see a price on this. I could have asked someone, but I wasn't too interested. This is a 3-ton low profile quick floor jack. And they also had these $49 everyday belt kits. They were $69, so about 20 bucks off. But I like the look on them. They had this nice leather look, as well as the different pockets. And then this is the other side here. They had these aluminum ease buckle where you could just clip it on in. Decent looking belt. Now in the center, kind of in the front, they had all these pack outs from Dewalt and Ridgid. And I'm going to show you the Ridgid one in just a second. I actually like that one a little bit better as far as the look and feel to it. But this is the Tough System 2.0. It's $49 for the small, $59 for the medium, and $89 for the large toolbox. The large one was $119, so you're getting the most savings with that one. But this is what they look like. They've had these out for a little bit, and the prices may have been a little bit better on Black Friday. I just can't remember. They come with the two part holders on the top, and this is again the Tough System 2.0. And in the back, of course, they have the little handle and the wheels on the bottom of the big one you can roll. Now from Ridgid, if you buy this in total, you're going to get a $40 savings if you buy it in total. Now this is a little bit cheaper per item and altogether than the Dewalt's, but $29 for the small was $39, $39 for the medium toolbox, and then $79 for the large, and that one was $99, so you're getting $20 savings on the large one. So $40 altogether. And now opening this one up, you have the little parts container on the side, and it says you get a Pro Gear power tool case that it comes with as well. So that's popped in the top one. Now from Milwaukee, for $19, you can buy any 3 and save 10, I think. But this is a 27-inch ratcheting multi-bit driver, a 2-pack 9-piece SAE and metric hex key set. So I like these because these are a little bit thicker and they come with more of the hex keys as well. But next up we have this 2-pack of the 25-foot magnetic tape measures, and then the 7-inch rafter squares. This is a 2-pack. They're saying this is a $37 value. I actually probably should have picked one of those packs up because I can't find mine. This is a 3-pack of utility knives, 19 bucks. You just press and flip these, and these are the fastbacks. 2-piece comfort grip straight jaw pliers were 24, now 19. Looks like about 4.8 stars on their ratings on those. Now this is a 60-piece Shockwave impact duty set. So it comes with everything here. Is the pack out, so you can put it nicely in those Milwaukee pack out cases. Now this is the 90-piece, and they have the wear guard tips, so those aren't going to wear down as much over time. And this is the pack out as well. This one is $45. So it was $49, and I can't see what it was before. Now for $29, it was $44. Is this Impact Red Helix 23-piece impact drill bit set. This is the pack out. It's saying it's 5 times extra life as well on these. Now this is up on the wall. You can read these for yourself, but you basically buy one of these kits and you're going to get one of these tool sets down below for free. You have the battery starter kit for less than $200, 2-tool kit for $300, and a 2-tool M18 kit for $400. And they have all these tools here you would get for free. I'm not going to list all of these, but they have battery packs, hydraulic driver, like a grinder, compact router, blower, jigsaw, and a inverter. Now these are some more super savings up here. They have a dual battery, and this is for $299. It says this is new. It's an 18-volt brushless 1/2-inch impact wrench friction ring kit, and this is actually not it down below. I thought that was it, but it comes with the tool ratchet XC4 battery, CP 1.5 battery, charger, and the contractor case. And down below that was actually the deep socket set, I believe. I don't know where they kept these, but the sign was up, so I'm sure if you asked someone in the store, they'd be able to find it for you. Now for $59, it was $10 off this USB 600 lumen hard hat headlamp kit. Comes with everything in the kit and elastic straps. These are some Type 1 Class C and E hard hats for $19. Next up, they had some Ryobi items. These prices on these seemed pretty similar to what I've seen before, at least in December. This is for $99 for their blower. Your choice for $119, and then $139 on this last item here on the right. You got the 3/8 of an inch right angle drill. That is this one here. Sorry, I'm on 0.5 mode, so I'm trying to get used to the different perspectives here. Let me know if you like this or just the regular, more close-up mode. They had the 3-inch cutoff tool for this price, 6.5-inch circular saw, 18-volt, 18 HP compact brushless cutoff tool, or the one-handed cutoff tool. It says it's the most compact one they've had. Now keep in mind, these are the tools only. Now $139, you've got the brushless barrel jigsaw. And I do not see that one, but I did see this circular saw, so I wanted to zoom up to show that one to you down below. Now over here, they had for $39, it's actually not the batteries, it's the Ryobi 1 Plus inflator deflator. So they were kind of moving things around in this store. Things weren't labeled correctly. So it took me a little bit of time to make this video for some reason, just because things weren't where they were supposed to be. Now for $89, they've got this 2 amp hour starter kit where you get the 2 amp hour battery and the charger. $39, you're going to get this 18 volt 1 Plus Verse clamp speaker, and then $49 for the 18 volt 1.5 amp hour 3/8 of an inch drill kit. And of course, with that drill kit down here, you're going to be getting the battery and the charger. I don't think it comes with the bag, but it comes with everything else you need. And now this is an 18 gauge brad nailer for $99. It was $139. Now this is the Airstrike Tech. It can sink these 2-inch nails. And with this, of course, you're not going to need any compressor, air hose. You just need the tool, really. And, well, tool and battery, of course. And this is the lightest one they have, or the lightest one in their line. Now, these are some deals from Ryobi for $49. Trying to get the zoom correct here, but you're going to get this 2 amp hour power scrubber kit, this 2 amp hour rotary tool kit. That was $59. This clamp light, ratchet kit, glue pen kit, 2 amp hour power cutter kit, inspection light. They do have some good ratings on that inspection light, and unfortunately there is only one of those left. And for $29, I don't think this is part of that deal, but this is an LED compact area light, and I'm trying to see the lumens on that. I could not find those though. Now this is your choice for $79. One of them $69 though. This is the 4-in-1 cordless stapler nailer kit. It does include the 3 amp hour battery and the USB charger with a 2-year warranty. Now you can also get the compact speaker kit for this price, or the 3 tool kit where you get the screwdriver, flashlight, and power cutoff tool. And the speakers are $69, it looks like. Now you buy one of these kits, you get one of these tools free. The 2 amp hour starter kit, or the 2 tool kit, which it looks like it comes with drill driver, battery, and the contractor bag. So that's nice. I'd probably go for the drill driver kit myself. So this is one of the free tools you can get. You can see here, I'm not going to read all of them, but you can get extra battery, sander, multi-tool, reciprocating saw, job site blowers, circular saw, or one of the power scrubbers. Now these are the super savings kits here. You can get the 4 tool kit to the upper left, the $199 6 tool kit, which is actually probably the best value. They're saying that's a $570 value on that one. And then the $159 kit on the top right. Now this is a new item. It's an 18 volt high performance edge 4-point amp hour battery for $129. They're saying this has tabless cell tech, 4 times longer runtime and 2 times more power. I did not see those down here, so you'd probably have to ask someone, unless I just missed it, to pick up one of those. Now from Ridgid, they had some of their deals, and all these have a lifetime warranty. $10 off on their dual port simultaneous charger. I can't say that word. $159. It was $209 on their 21 degree pneumatic round head framing nailer. That one has some really good ratings. It looks like 4.8 stars. And then $159 on this brushless brad nailer was $199. And then $179 on this 2-pack of these 8 amp hour max output EXP batteries. And then $149 on this 8 amp hour max output EXP battery. Now I really like these flashlights. These are some $29 2500 lumen hybrid power flashlights. Now these are rechargeable and waterproof. up to 1 meter. So I didn't think this would turn on. I just tested it, but it's got 6 different modes. Apparently one's a red light night mode and a red light flashing mode. Now this is USB chargeable, but I think you can also use batteries with it. Now for 79 bucks, it was 109, is this 90 tooth ratcheting wrench set. It does have some pretty high ratings. It looks like 4.8 stars out of 5, and this is from Gearwrench. I actually have not heard of this company. They may be more of a niche company, but they do have a lifetime warranty on these tools. So next up for 69, this is from Ridgid. It was 89 on this 18 gauge pneumatic nailer. They've got clean drive tech, and it does come with a bag, which is really nice. Now here are those clearance items. So nothing too crazy here, but they did have some Ryobi tools and some Milwaukee tools. This is 45 bucks for this job site speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker. This one looks like it's a pretty decent deal. It's about half off, or almost half off. Now they always have these doorknobs here. They have some framing, like plates, framing angles. Those are always there. Now this is a M18 cordless bandsaw for 176. It's from Milwaukee. It was 219. Now from Ridgid, this is the tool only for 79. I don't think that one's a really good deal though. For 49, this is a 12 volt auto power watt inverter, 120 watt. And it doesn't say the price previous to that. They do have some gloves here, although for 24 bucks, I don't think that's a crazy deal on the gloves. They did have some gloves down there that were a little bit of a better deal. $69 for this hand vac. And these are the gloves down here from Milwaukee. Those were like 19 bucks. So it's a little bit better. Now these are some other tools right here. This is I don't see a price on this. It's a 2-tool combo kit. Although I would expect this to probably be around maybe 30 something bucks, maybe 40 bucks. I'm not sure. Now this is the tool only pack out tool from here, from Milwaukee, and this one was $199, and that's the light charging station. So really hope this video helped, guys.